Hello all of you YouTube peoples, it's Dylan here with my third video of me burping, because every single time I post a video, just ignore them by the way, and every time I make a new burping video, I always get comments of people telling me to make a new one. And my goal for this video is to get 400 to 500 views. Guys, I'm making a video, go away. And yeah, I have a lot of interruptions right now, so sorry. So stop following me! I have like little kids following me right now. Yeah. So let's start. Alright. Let's go one more time. I'm gonna do it as loud and long as I can. I just had a can of soda, so. I got it. Stop.
That was a big burp. Look at Shayna. She's in the hammock. Tiana! I gotta do that!
Ready? Bye.